In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can remove a Facebook account from other devices. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for even more Facebook guides just like this. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. And on top of that, throughout this entire guide, if you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment so I can help you out further down there. But first things first, what you're going to want to do is actually open up the Facebook app. On an iPhone, what you're going to want to do is look down in the bottom right to find this little menu button right here. On an Android, it's going to be in the top right, but essentially click on the menu button that has those three lines. And after you do get on this menu button here, what you're going to want to do is actually tap in the little gear icon up in the very top to open up your settings. Now from here, the very first option is going to be Account Center. Go ahead and select this, and then scroll down and you'll find this Account Settings tab. Select Password and Security. From here, scroll down a little bit more, and you're going to see an option that says where you're logged in under Security Checks. Click on that and then select whatever account you're actually using. In my case, I'm going to select my Facebook account up at the very top. And from here, it's going to show you every single section that your Facebook account has actually been logged in. If you want to go ahead and log a device out, scroll down to the bottom, select devices to log out, and from here, tick whatever one you want to log out and hit this log out button. Now, if it does ask you to confirm, make sure you confirm. And then, of course, if it does say that you need to verify your identity, go ahead and do that. But overall, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.